The centerpiece of Hollywood Park is right here at SoFi Stadium. Built 100 feet into the ground, we are the first indoor-outdoor stadium. We have over 70,000 seats, over 260 suites, with over 3.1 million square feet. That makes us the largest NFL stadium. So outside of the major events, we're going to open our doors for guests to take an all-access tour of the stadium. It's a fully immersive experience, takes guests on a 90-minute tour, 4 guided stops, and then we drop you down into the field to run through what we call our player experience tunnel, and then onto the field to take part in our field activities. Our general tour is a great group outing. Group rates start at 20 plus tickets. But if you're looking for a more elevated experience, we have dining options with our Tour and Dine program, where your group would get to experience an hour-and-a-half dining experience prior to going on tour. If you're looking for field trips, birthday parties, field rentals for your youth sports team or your team building activity, our group and private events team is happy to customize the program perfect for what you're looking for. Our patio clubs, found both on the east and west side of the stadium. It gives you really that California indoor-outdoor space, which our clients have been loving. Pop in and take a tour. Our tour program really goes into an insider access to all this building and Hollywood Park has to offer.